So one of the main reasons that I was able to sell over $500,000 my first year as an insurance agent, it was because I was able to master the discovery section of the insurance phone call. And in this video, I'm going to give you a live example. A lady who called in who really had no need, didn't really have a clear pain. And what I was able to do was ask the right questions, build the depth, and turn someone who was really not that interested into a sale. So not to spoil it, but I want to give you guys, this is it. If you watch this video and you learn how to ask the right questions, get to dive deep and build the right value, you'll make way more money as a life insurance agent, and this video is going to prove that to you. So let's go ahead and let's go jump into that call right now.
To really start looking around for some more life insurance like now.
Oh, the ad popped up on there, and I just wanted to check see what it would cost.
Yeah, so the ad popped up, and you want to kind of check it out. I guess just so I'm on the same page with you, what is the goal specifically of the policy? What would you want this to make sure takes care of?
It's my son and grandbaby.
Your son and your grandbaby?
Yeah, maybe we could just help them out as long as, maybe by the time they'll be in college or married with kids, because, I mean, they're young right now, they're real young, but hopefully by the time I pass away, they'll be older, a whole lot older.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so they're getting older, and you say you want to take care of them. Can you help me understand, what do you mean that, like, how would this policy...
Not really take care of them, just kind of, just something I can leave them, I guess you'd say.
Oh, wow, it's like a I love you gift?
Yeah.
Okay, I hear you. So the goal really...
But plus I said also, if I had any little doctor bills left, which I shouldn't have, but if I had any little doctor bills left, I started to take care of that. It wouldn't come back on him,
Wow, like any of the medical bills that you don't want them to fall onto him, or at least make sure he has the money for it?
Right.
Oh, I hear. So it sounds like this, as a mother, you want to make sure if something happens, medical bills are taken care of, and then leave them a little extra. Is that all? Is that what I'm hearing?
That's it.
Okay. That makes sense, Con. It's very thoughtful. I mean, God forbid if you didn't have this coverage in place, like, oh man, and like, let's say there were some medical bills, because most people at the end of their life typically rack up medical bills. Who would it be that would be responsible for, paying for your medical bills, or even paying for any of the costs?
It would be my son.
Oh, Jesus.
James Talbert.
James? Oh.
Yeah, goes by Chris. He goes by Chris, yeah.
He goes by Christian? Chris. Okay, so Chris would be the one that would be stuck paying for everything?
Right.
Oh, no. And...
That's the only kid I got.
yeah, okay, gotcha. So it all fall into Chris.
And I'm not married, so,
Oh, I hear you. So Chris was a blessing. I hear you. When it comes down to it, would Chris be in a position where he could come out of pocket for, let's say, any additional burial expenses or any additional medical bills? Could he pay for those expenses?
He probably could, but I wouldn't want him to.
Really?
His place to, Yeah, wow. I don't want to put that on him because my son's an accountant. He makes killer money. But he has 2 children. He's paying way for it. He's got to put them through college, and, all that good stuff. And he's got a big old house he's got to pay for it. And if he's only got him a new truck after all these years, and he's only 37 years old. So.
Wow. So he sounds like you raised him up well. He's doing well, but at the end of the day, it sounds like it's really important for you to not pass anything on to him. Is that what I'm hearing?
Exactly right.
Wow. And how would that, I guess, make you feel knowing that you could put something in place so he's not like stuck with like anything? How would that make you feel as a mother?
Oh, it might be so great. When that's what I have to worry about.
Really? Has this been kind of like maybe like weighing on you? You said you've been worried about it. Is this something that would kind of like maybe take a little bit of weight off your shoulders?
Oh yeah, I've been worried about it since I was 37, and they tell me I had to have open heart surgery.
Wow.
And see, here lately we've had a lot of people passing away, but they've been older people, but still, it makes you start thinking of things,
Yeah, and you're so thoughtful, after going through that, you've just stood strong. It's incredible what you've gone through, and at the end of the day, this would probably help kind of just give you the comfort that you've been looking for. Wow. Yeah. This sounds like really, really important to you. I'm actually a little like confused, like you haven't got this taken care of, has it just been, have you been looking around for something like this for a while now, or is it something that you realize you're just kind of...
Well, I've been keeping my ear out and just kind of looking, because, I mean, it's hard to really find anything like that because you don't know when you're being scammed or when you're not. You don't know who to really call or what their options are, or
sure.
if this person's better, if this person from here, or this other one is.
Yeah.
Too many options.
Yeah, so you've been kind of looking here, looking there. Would you look at that? Would you look at this? And then you just can't really find anything that's trustworthy, or you don't know what to look for. Is that what I'm hearing?
Yes.
Wow. So it sounds to me, just so you really value it, that you want to put this solution in place so Chris not burdened. You just got to make sure you find the right solution. Is that right?
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Man, and it sounds like, you know, man, it sounds like, you know, you really want to put something. The reason I'm making this video is because I own an agency, Legacy Family Life, and we've just opened up our brokerage arm. So if you want all my leads, all my systems, all my training, people have been asking me, do you have an agency? Well, the answer is yes. And if you want to work with me, we are hiring. Click in the comments below and you can join my team. Back to the video. Put something in place. I'm gonna do my best here for you though, Connie. I really am. I mean, just curious, backtracking, have you gotten quotes before, or have you just not been able to find anything comfortable and affordable? What does that look like for you?
I had never sat down and talked to anybody about it. But
Really?
I was just checking into the line, and the people start blowing my phone up.
Yeah.
Basically, because I don't know how many of them scam and how many ain't, you know?
Yeah, it's a pain in the butt. These people be calling you and they're from India. Make that make sense.
Yeah, exactly.
Sometimes I'm like, that don't even make sense to me, but I hear you. Well, I'm gonna do my best here for you. I want you to know I'm always gonna be here for you and for, you know, for your son Chris. Would you say would you say having like a little something, would that be better than having, I guess, nothing at all?
Oh yeah.
Really? What makes you say that?
Well, I mean, it'd be better than if me not being able to leave that for me. I mean, right now, the only dollar bills I got, really, I have a $2,000 something dollar bill, and I always got that because I swapped from Humana to Aetna. I thought Aetna was going to be better for me, but obviously they're not, because I would never stuck with a hospital bill with Humana, but I had been with Aetna. So I wouldn't have a whole big bunch of hospital bills or doctor bills, because my insurance pays for most of them. But for any little thing that I would have left over, that's why little was better than nothing.
Yeah, I can hear, like, even if you had a little bit, at least you know as a mom that you put something for him, and that probably helped you rest better at night. I hear you. And now this is important because we do work with seniors on fixed incomes. So if I could find you something that fits the budget, that's comfortable, would there be like potentially anything like I guess like holding you back from even seeing if you could even get like approved at all?
That's awesome. No, I don't know. The back from getting approved, I don't guess.
What'd you say?
There's nothing holding me back from getting approved. I might lose you here because I'm had to bury my brother at home, and Peter's in the boondocks. So
Okay.
I might not have good service here.
No worries. If I lose you, I'll give you a ring back. But I got the quotes and numbers rolling up here for you. So now what we're going to be looking at here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, what we're going to be looking at here today is whole life insurance. Okay, you let me know if this is exactly what you're looking for, okay? So,
okay.
When it comes to the whole life insurance, it's something where the monthly payment is never going to go up on you. The coverage will never go down, and it's never going to expire. It's going to be there for your whole life so that you can go to bed at night, Connie, knowing that your son Chris is always taken care of. Is that kind of what you're looking for?
Yes, sir.
So here's the good news. I actually plugged in all your information, and it shows that you should be eligible for the best option statewide out of all 26 companies. Check this out. It's with a company called, have you heard them before?
I don't know. I might have seen something on TV about it. I don't know.
Yeah, I was about to say, I mean, you probably see them on TV. They've been in business since the 1960s. They are also a very well-known and established company. They're also backed by the Better Business Bureau with a great rating. And they're also going to make sure that they pay out their claims. So it's a very well-known, it's a very reputable company, Miss Connie, okay? Now, this is why it's so important. I need you to listen to this part. They're one of the only companies that will not make you wait a 2-year waiting period, which is an absolute blessing, okay? What this means is that if, God forbid, you pass away tomorrow, your son Chris, he gets the full policy payout in 24 to 48 hours. Do you see how important that is?
Yes, sir.
A lot of those companies you try to call life insurance are going to put you in a 2-year waiting period. We don't want to do that, right?
No, we don't.
Absolute garbage out there. So so they have 3 options here for us. Now we can go up, we can go down, we can go sideways, we can go backwards. We just got to make sure that me and you, Connie, we got this, girl. We're going to find something that's comfortable and affordable for you, okay? So the first option that they have here for you is what we call the starter program, okay? This is just something small for you to make sure that you have a little something in place just to make sure that if something happens to you tomorrow, Chris has enough to even bury you if he has to. He has enough for, any additional cremation, any medical bills. So let's say you have 5,000 medical bills. This will cover that and leave about $10,000 left over. So this is the $15,000 program, okay? This is the starter program. The $15,000, there's no waiting period. This is just that something small to make sure that you can go to bed at night knowing he's taken care of. The $15,000 comes out to be $63.76 per month, okay?
Okay.
Now, the next option, this is what most of our seniors typically go with. This is gonna make sure that you have just everything completely taken care of. It'll adjust for inflation. Let's say 10,000 will go to medical bills, and then let's say 10,000 goes to to Chris. This is gonna make sure that you leave him that massive "I love you" gift that that you can even give that extra money to your grandkids too. That's plenty enough to give to your grandkids as well. The 20,000, what most people go with, it's still coming in at $85.02 per month. You got that?
Yes.
Now the last option for you here, let me see if they'll let me do this as well. That's gonna be the maximum option as well. They have a middle of the road option, which is kind of in between 15 and 18. It's the 18,000. I don't know if you would need this, but the 18,000 kind of comes in the beginning, in the middle there. The $18,076.52 per month. Okay.
Okay.
Now our biggest challenge, hopefully you're even eligible, but our biggest challenge is seeing if you can actually qualify. But you kind of fill me in. You want to, make sure that your son's taken care of. But as a mother, do you feel like we should go with the 15,000 or the 20,000? What would give you the most peace of mind?
The 20,000, of course.
And the 20,000. Okay, and for that 20,000, I just want to make sure I'm truly helping you, Connie, because I care about you, and not taking any strain off putting any strain on the budget for you. Would that the 20,000 for $85, will that be comfortable and affordable for you? Not just this month, but every month moving forward?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So the process is pretty simple. What we'll do is I'll just take the quick application, cross my fingers, hopefully you do get approved. And if we do get you approved, we can put down your beneficiaries and we can pick the date that you'd even want everything to kind of even start for you if you're eligible. Now, for your policy, if you are approved, did you want to put a middle initial in here, or are we going to leave that off?
Okay.
Okay?